What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy Wild Free. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the 3 top vagus nerve stimulation devices on the market, my likes and dislikes about them, and what I found to be the most effective of the 3, and just the pros and cons. Because honestly, with each of these 3 devices, this is the Zenowell, this is the Apollo Neuro, and this is the Apollo Neuro, and this is the Hoolest Vee Relief, and this is the Zenowell. So each of them has different sort of benefits and different pathways. They all stimulate the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve is what runs from your brainstem all the way down to your gut, so it influences your brain, basically your state of stress, your state of anxiety, your cardiovascular system, your heart rate, as well as your gut health and digestive health as well. So the vagus nerve is an incredibly important nerve. It's actually called the master nerve of your body because it controls and regulates these things. And how awake and alert you feel, or how tired and sleepy you feel, and even just the quality of your sleep, is determined by how calm your vagus nerve is. So it really is the master nerve that regulates your entire nervous system. All nerves are stemmed off, not directly, but even directly or indirectly, your vagus nerve. So vagus nerve stimulation or vagus nerve toning causes your vagus nerve to go from fight or flight, which is the stressed state of the vagus nerve, to rest and digest, which means your digestion improves, your state of calm and relaxation and brain chemistry and brain health improves, your heart rate slows down and regulates more slowly, your breathing rate is more healthy, things like this. So you really want to get your vagus nerve into a state that's calm, and that's what these devices do. So the first device I'm going to share with you is the Zenowell device. It has modes relief, sleep, and relax, which I do like that it has different modes, because the other devices that I use have different tempos, but this one has different modes and different control levels, meaning the cadence of the relax, relief, and meditation modes are different. One is more for your brain, one is more for your nervous system, and one is more for kind of like a Zen state. And then when you start one, like if I hit relief, for example, I can go from level 3 to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, etc., so on and so forth. And then the thing about this is it goes in your ear and you have a cord. You do have to spray or get the tip of the earbud wet, because that's what makes it conductive. I will say this, the Zenowell I like, and I like that the ear, for example, my mom had one of these, and she had, still has a little bit of tinnitus. And she found that the tinnitus actually was helpful, or wasn't as bad when she used the Zenowell. So I do like that aspect of this. I will say though, you do have to really kind of get this in your ear properly, otherwise you don't feel that tingling sensation that stimulates your vagus nerve. So this is a little bit buggy to get in. And then the cord, sometimes if I'm moving, I hit it, it falls out, and I gotta put it back in. So I don't like that aspect of it. It's kind of annoying. But what I do like is that if you're looking to stimulate your vagus nerve specifically through your ear, if you have ear challenges, or just kind of get right to your brain part of your vagus nerve, this is probably the best device for that, as it has the different modes and the different tempo with those modes. So that's the Zenowell. I'll put that link below. The next one I want to review and share with you is the Hoolest Vee Relief. Now, Hoolest is a company that makes this. It kind of looks like a taser, but it is not. It has the very exact opposite effect on your nervous system. This one has different levels too, which you can go up and down here. So you can go higher, all the way, and then lower. And those 2 gel caps on top are what do it. Honestly, I go on like the 1, 2 setting out of the, 5. And this one goes on your neck. So this one you go right here. And when I put this on, I feel it from literally my ear all the way down here. I mean, it literally, I don't know if you can see that, probably not, but it literally like convulses. I mean, this is strong. This is definitely the strongest vagus nerve stimulator. Like if you're in a high state of stress, you have a high stress job, you're just in a high stress part of your life, I would definitely recommend the Hoolest, because this little device packs the strongest punch over the Zenowell. The Zenowell is still very strong. It's just different when it hits your neck. On your neck is a very direct access point to your vagus nerve, because it's the closest point of contact in terms of like surface area skin. And the voltage, if you will, quote unquote, that comes out of this, that stimulates your vagus nerve, is just absolutely incredible. Like you just like my whole neck and head is like, oh, like I just want to like take a nap. So you hold this on there. The only downside about this is you got to hold it up and you got to hold it, which is kind of annoying. But I will say this, the same company, Hoolest, they have these amazing headphones that go over your ears, and I think they play some sort of like Zen tracks. And then they have these like diodes that go right to your vagus nerve on the left and the right. So that device from this company, from Hoolest, is probably the best vagus nerve stimulator. I don't actually own that. It's a little bit pricier. I think this is like $250 or $300. That one's like $600. But if you want the best one, the Hoolest headphone one is the best one. And this one is the strongest of the three I'm sharing today. So I really like the Hoolest. It's very portable. I love the design. It's clean. You know, it doesn't have things that can fall out of your ears. You got to place right. I mean, you just hold it there and it hits really well. The last one I'm gonna share with you is the Apollo Neuro. Now the Apollo Neuro is a wristband, and it has these two buttons here. And when you push those two buttons, it turns on. And then you can turn the tempo up to go stronger just by pushing that button. And that just sits on your wrist, and it vibrates, and it's on your wrist. Now, your vagus nerve runs from your brainstem down to your gut. So this point of contact being at the furthest, your wrist, which is, quite a ways away from your vagus nerve here. Personally, I don't sense a huge difference. I just like the soothing vibration of the Apollo Neuro, and I like that it's a set and forget thing. Whereas with the Zenowell, I have to turn on, I have a cord if I'm typing or working or cooking in the kitchen. This comes out and it's inconvenient, so I don't really like that. This is the most convenient of the three. The Apollo Neuro, because you just put it on, you turn it on and you turn it up, it's very convenient. And it's also great for travel. I will say the Hoolest is the strongest, but you have to hold it up. The Apollo Neuro is the most convenient because you just put it on your wrist and you set it and forget it. And the Zenowell is the best if you are looking to directly access your ear and your brain stem part of the vagus nerve. With that being said, if I had to choose between the three, it's tough. That's why I own all three. But I'd probably choose the Hoolest Vee Relief, and I'd probably choose their headphones because this is the strongest one, and I've noticed just the biggest impact on my vagus nerve with the Hoolest Vee Relief. With that being said, I like this Apollo Neuro. I wear it all the time when I go to social events or I'm out and about, and I know I'm gonna see a lot of people. I like having this on my wrist because having that vibration and keeping my vagus nerve and my vagus system calm in parasympathetic mode and rest and digest, I just feel better, and I can just better kind of like communicate, and I just feel like in a more of a flow state, I guess I'd say. So I really like this for social environments, the Apollo Neuro. Like if you have social anxiety or anything like that, the Apollo Neuro is amazing because I just feel like that vibration on my wrist, and I feel my vagus nerve soothed, and I don't know, it just helps social circles. So I really like this, like if you're work, business, deal closing, an Apollo Neuro, I still recommend the Apollo Neuro, but I really like both of these. I'll put the link to the Hoolest Vee Relief, the Zenowell, and the Apollo Neuro all in the comments section. These are the top three, in my opinion, vagus nerve stimulating devices and technology on the market. And the cool thing I like about them is they work in different pathways. Your neck, your ear lobe, and your wrist. So yeah, hopefully this video is helpful for you and you know the upsides and downsides, pros and cons of each. Regardless of which one you choose, it is important to get your body into a calm state, the rest and digest state, which is the parasympathetic state of the nervous system. And in doing so, your digestion improves, you're less stressed, your brain works better, you make more clear decisions. I mean, there's so many benefits. Your sleep quality improves. There's so many benefits to enhancing your vagus nerve system and vagus nerve health. So I do recommend getting one of these just to have, because it's a one-time investment in your vagus nerve forever, literally, as you just recharge them. Will thank you and stay healthier and in a calm state. So check these out below. And if you want to get discounts on more than 30 different health and wellness brands that I've personally vetted as a health and wellness coach, founder of Healthy Wild Free, check out healthywildfree.com/shop in the comments section. You'll see supplements, superfoods, health technology, red lights, vibration plates, trampolines, barefoot minimalist shoes, the cleanest coffee, purity coffee in the world, and so much more at that link. So check that out because this link has different discount codes, special offers, free shipping, and a bunch of good deals. So I've vetted all the brands and you get a good deal. So check that link out below, and I'll see you in the next video.